Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you a delicious and healthy breakfast idea, overnight oats. Let's get started with the basic recipe. For that you will need rolled oats, milk of your choice, and a sweetener like maple syrup or honey. In a jar or container, combine half a cup of rolled oats with half a cup of milk and 1 tablespoon of sweetener. Give it a good stir. Now, cover the jar and refrigerate it overnight. This will allow the oats to absorb the liquid and become creamy and delicious. The next morning, give your oats another stir and add any toppings or flavors you desire. One flavor idea is to add sliced bananas and a spoonful of peanut butter for a delicious combination of flavors. If you're a chocolate lover, try adding cocoa powder, a drizzle of honey, and a sprinkle of chia seeds for a nutritious twist. For a fruity kick, add some fresh berries like blueberries or raspberries, and a dollop of yogurt to make it even more decadent. If you prefer a classic combination, try adding a handful of raisins, a dash of cinnamon, and a sprinkle of chopped nuts for a comforting and satisfying bowl. For a burst of summer, mix in some diced peaches, a squeeze of lemon juice, and a sprinkle of granola for added crunch. When your oats are fully customized to your liking, give them a final stir and enjoy. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed these easy and healthy overnight oats recipes. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one.